Rolls. Oh, from Indonesia. Sana oh. Ha? If we hear something positive, no? We are always saying sana all, no? Ha, Burak? We are always saying sana all. When we are reading or hearing or knows about positive vibes, no? So we are saying sana all. Hmm? Like him or like her, no, have a positive outcome. Mm. That's why we are saying sana all. Yes, sana all happy, no? Sana all have gifts. Oh. Sana all handsome. Ha? Handsome, sana all handsome. Mm. Sana all rich, isn't it? Now you know. Or you can say sana all na too.